Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in a mega outreach, will interact with farmers from 6 states on Friday. On the occasion, Prime Minister Modi will digitally deposit a total of Rs 18,000 crore in the bank accounts of 9 crore farmers under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme. This comes even as the centre's standoff with protesting farmers has entered the fourth week. The fresh outreach by PM Modi comes days after he said the MSP system would continue and his government was ready to discuss any concern that farmers may have. Several persons were injured in a clash between Trinamool Congress and BJP activists at Ramnagar in West Bengal on Wednesday ahead of TMC's rally in Kontai, which is the stronghold of Shubhendu Adhikari, who recently joined the BJP. Police said the clash broke out when a procession by BJP activists was passing near a TMC party office on Ramnagar Road in Purba Mednipur district. At least 16 people who came to India from the UK in the past few days have tested positive for COVID-19 amid alarm over a mutant strain of the coronavirus that is believed to be more contagious and was first identified in Britain. 8 people who came from or via the UK have tested positive in Amritsar, 5 in New Delhi, 2 in Kolkata and 1 in Chennai, authorities said. There have been no confirmed instances of the mutant strain anywhere in India so far. The centre should listen to the people's voice against the abrogation of Article 370 since it has itself termed the DDC polls as a victory of democracy, National Conference Vice President Omar Abdullah said on Wednesday. The People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration swept the maiden District Development Council polls by winning 110 seats, while the BJP emerged as the single largest party by getting 75 seats after securing the largest vote share in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir has delivered a resounding slap on terrorists, extremists and separatists, Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said on Wednesday, pointing to the results of the local body elections in the newly formed Union Territory. The BJP's emergence as the single largest party, the minister said, has proved that the people have shown their preference for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's larger narrative. The shooting of superstar Rajnikant's Annathe has been suspended after 4 crew members tested positive for coronavirus during routine testing. Sun Pictures, the production house behind Annathe, took to Twitter to confirm the news. Army Chief General M.M. Naravane, who is on a one-day trip to eastern Ladakh on Wednesday, also visited the forward areas along the line of actual control, where India and China are involved in an over 7-month-long military standoff. The Indian Army said that Naravane visited forward areas of Fire and Fury Corps, including Rechenla, and undertook a first-hand assessment of the situation along the LAC.